All right, so I've got the carousel mounted up on mine. When I stopped it all, I made sure it was at the home position, and then I marked everything so that it should come out exactly the same. And then we'll just this thing spins really easy now. I like to get all my parts polished up and cleaned up before I do all this, because it just makes it a lot more enjoyable. There's a bush here in the center, and that will only go on one way. And again, I have my marks here on this plate, so I can align that up. Alright, and we've got this guy. This will probably go in further. It all came in, so that can go in. And then again, this will only go on one way. Yep. And again, there's a cut in the shaft here that has to align so that the screw can go through. Once you have that lined up, then you're good. It would seem like all of this is difficult. You're gonna have to remember how it all came apart. In all honesty, there's kind of really only one way it can go together. So I wouldn't worry if you're gonna take it apart. You know, I'm sure you could take it apart to a point where you might have some questions, but that's why, you know, we make these videos for reference for other people. And again, that's a world of plenty. You want to bring all the torques on it. That seems very nice. And that is home position. There's where your this is where your grabber arm is going to come in here, right here. So you know that's home position. That's where I marked everything. At home position, my popularity meters at home. So that's it. The mech is basically back together. I just need to now I got to go in and put the motors on the underside. I'll probably do that next, and then I'll drop in the phono. I may even do the phono once I get it in the box, because it's pretty easy to do. All right, guys, that's it for today. Catch you later.